Alright, I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. Eggman's here, I don't know what to do. Ouch. Come here, Pirate Parrot. Pirate Parrot is not doing so good right now. I don't know about that. Time to hide. Come on. He escaped. That's bad, right? It's definitely bad. Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? We have Silver on our side, which is gonna be like very bad to think about. Dude, I can time travel. Not good as enough. Okay. We have something to think about, guys. Okay, I'm supposed to be the leader here. Okay, stop it. Get out. So, we do have a plan. While you were talking, you bring us up, and then we fell down because you can't even fly, and you can't even carry two people because you're too small. You know what? I don't even care, alright? Alright. Doesn't even want to listen to me. Okay, so I don't really know what to do. So I'm just gonna be right here. Oh, yeah. Why is he back there? I have no idea, but I'm trying to hang on. There we go. Ow. Fine, I'll be with you guys. Oh my gosh. What are we talking about right now? Pirate Parrot doesn't know, but this might be the end for us. Paradox Prism. I'm trying to save Yoshi, fighting Eggman. This is bad, Sonic. If we fail, we're finished. Yeah, Sonic. Oh my gosh. Can you guys just say my real name, Movie Sonic? I know you're Movie Sonic. I will just call you Movis Sonic instead. You know what? Stop. Okay, break it up. Whoa! Of course he can't fly. Hey, be respectful to your pirate parrot. You're not even my pet. Okay, guys, I'm gonna look for Eggman. You guys stay there. Pirate Parrot, gotta find Eggman. Oh no! I swear that I saw Pirate Parrot, saw Eggman go in here. I don't know. Did you guys find any luck? No, you just told us to stay here. What's the problem? Nothing's a problem here. Ugh. You know what? What? I'm leaving this team. No matter what. You keep being mean to me. We're basically friends, and we're trying to save Yoshi, and then you're just doing all stuff. You think I'm the one that started everything? Yeah, basically. Oh my gosh. Ah! Pirate Parrot is so mad at you for saying that. Oh my gosh. Goodbye. See ya. It's just us two. Look for another person. I guess. Alright, Silver. I'm going. Knuckles, do you want to help me on this journey? No, I'm just too busy sleeping. Do you? Nope. Do you? Oh yeah, he's a statue. Nope. Hey, LeBron. Patrick, everybody's asleep. Get out of my way, Hulk. Wait, Hulk. Whoa. Pirate Parrot, what are you doing here? Get out of my way. I'm trying to rest. You woke me from my nap. Chill, buddy. Pirate Parrot needs an adventure to go get Eggman. You plan to go on this adventure with me? Basically not. Dude, are you serious? You're the only one that can help me. Do I look like I want to help right now? Yeah. No, I'm literally laying down. Just stop. Stop! Alright, I found somebody. Are you serious? I'm not. I didn't even ask to be on this adventure. Ah! Oh. Apparently he can't fly. I can always not fly. Oh my gosh, you brought this annoying dude that I don't even like, and we barely even talk. It's because I fight Sonic a lot. Don't even ask me. Okay, do you know anything about the Paradox Prism? Because Pirate Parrot really wants to know. Paradox Prism. I've heard of it, but I don't know a lot about it. Let's go check on Movie Sonic. Hey, ow! This is gonna be weird. Yeah. I know. I also know. Okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Movie Sonic, are you here? Was that what? I heard a noise. I don't know what that noise was, but Movie Sonic? What if he got kidnapped? Oh no. This shall not be good for Pirate Parrot. I don't know where Movie Sonic is. What? I know. Pirate Parrot searched everywhere, but I haven't found him at all. That's bad, right? Definitely bad. To be continued.